Hello and welcome back, Scoop Buddies. Today, we're diving into the world of medical education in India, as we explore the top 10 medical colleges that are shaping the future of healthcare in our country. 10. Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology. Our journey begins with the prestigious Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology established in 1976. Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology is a premier institute located in Kerala. Institute offers degree and diploma courses including 8 PG courses. Additionally, it also has advanced master's, doctorate courses. These programs are offered in full-time mode. Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology is a premier institute for DM, PhD, PG diploma, MPH, MCH, MD courses. Candidate can pursue in multiple range of courses like DM, PhD, PG diploma, MPH, MCH, MD with the stream of medicine and health sciences. 9. Kasturba Medical College, Manipal. Kasturba Medical College is also known as KMC, was established in 1953. The college was first medical college in private sector which was self-financing. Today the college offers quality of education to students across countries. The college continues to rank in top 10 medical college of the country. The college has students for 25 plus countries
BHU,
graduating every
Banaras
year.
Hindu University, formerly known as Central Hindu College, Banaras Hindu University, popularly known as BHU Varanasi, is a central university recognized by the UGC and accredited with an A grade by the NAAC. It is also a member of the AIU. BHU is ranked 5 and 11 in the university and overall categories by the NIRF Rankings 2023. Banaras Hindu University has signed MOAs with over 40 national and foreign universities to offer better exposure to the students and faculty members. Since BHU has collaborated with multiple universities, a large number of students from foreign countries like the USA, the countries of Europe, Asia, the Middle East, Africa, etc. come to study here.
7. SGPGI Lucknow. Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences, SGPGI MACE, is a medical institute located in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. It was established in 1980 under State Legislature Act. The institute is named after Sanjay Gandhi. The institute is recognized by the University Grants Commission, UGC, and approved by the Medical Council of India, MCI. In NIRF 2020 ranking, SGPGI MACE Lucknow was placed at 5th position in the top medical institute category. It delivers tertiary medical care, super specialty teaching, training and research. 6. Amrita Center for Nanoscience and Molecular Medicine. Amrita School of Nanosciences and Molecular Medicine, ASNSMM, is India's first nanobio center, and is now well recognized nationally and internationally for its academic and research contributions in the field of nanomedicine, molecular medicine, energy science and engineering. ASNSMM is a premier research institution conducting cutting-edge research in medical sciences and engineering, including new medicines and diagnostic systems, biomedical devices, energy and electronics. Its close integration with Amrita Super Specialty Hospital enables substantial research involving clinical applications. 5. Jipmer Puducherry. Established in 1823, Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research, also known as Jipmer Pondicherry, has been ranked 8 in the category of medical colleges 3 times in a row. It became an institution of national importance, INI, and was declared autonomous by an Act of Parliament under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India in 2008. The institute is established for teaching, research and patient care in the area of health and medicine. 4. National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences. National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, a prestigious higher education institution, was founded in 1974. The institute offers UG, PG, advanced masters, doctorate, and postdoctorate degree, diploma and certificate programs for students to further their studies. These programs are specially designed for full-time mode and are approved by prominent national bodies such as NMC. The institute offers a variety of courses such as PhD, MPhil, DM, FNB, Fellow of National Board, MCH, MSc, BSc, Certificate, PG Diploma, MPH, UG Diploma, MD in major streams including Medicine and Health Sciences, Science, Nursing. National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences provides its students with top-notch education delivered by its skilled and experienced faculty in the fields of psychiatry, radiology and imaging science, neurology, geriatrics, anesthesia, radiology, physiology, statistics, neuroscience and mental health nursing, psychiatric nursing, anesthesia technology, neurophysiology, biochemistry, public health, Ayurveda. 3. CMC Vellore. Christian Medical College is an unaided, Christian minority institute that was established in 1918. Christian Medical College Vellore is approved by MCI, accredited by NABH, and has an attached 2,500-bedded hospital. Some of the courses are accredited by AERB, Atomic Energy Regulatory Board, India, and the Microbiology Laboratory is an NABL-accredited laboratory. Christian Medical College Vellore is ranked 3 by NIRF 2023 under the Medical Colleges Category 2. PGMIR Chandigarh. Founded in 1962, Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, Chandigarh is a distinguished institution located in the state of Punjab. The institute offers a range of degree and diploma courses, which include UG, PG, Advanced Masters, Doctorate, and Postdoctorate. These courses are approved by the NMC and are designed to be delivered in full-time mode. The institute offers various courses such as PhD, FNB, Fellow of National Board, MSc, BSc, MHA, PG Diploma, MPH, MDS, MD, MS, MCH, DM covering major streams such as Medicine and Health Sciences, Science, Nursing. 1. AIIMS Delhi. AIIMS Delhi is ranked first by India Today in NIRF 2023 under the medical category, 6th by NIRF 2023 under the overall category, and 12th by US News 2023 under the university overall category. AIIMS is ranked 123rd by the QS ranking by subject category 2023. AIIMS Delhi is one of the various AIIMS colleges present in India. At present, there are 23 AIIMS in India, out of which 20 are functional and the rest are under construction or yet to be operational. Delhi AIIMS, through more than 40 departments, offers UG, PG, and various other courses to students. These courses are offered across the medical and various other streams. Located in Gautam Nagar, Delhi, the All India Institute of Medical Sciences is known as an institution of national importance by an Act of Parliament. The college has more than 600 research publications by its faculty and researchers in a year. Whether you dream of donning the white coat or simply admire the pursuit of medical excellence, these institutions represent the pinnacle of healthcare education in our nation. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring with Scoop Buddy. Bye for now.